Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we got something really exciting. The brand new FLUMINER T3, a home mining rig. That's one of only 3 home miner on the market right now. If you have ever wanted to try mining at home, this video you absolutely can't miss. So how does it perform? Let's take a look. Wow, look at this design. The casing follows the shape of L1 Pro and the website shows T3 color is gold. But what will the actual product look like? Let's wait and see. It weighs around 60.8 kg and it is 44.4 cm long, 13 cm wide, and 34.5 cm high, roughly the same size as a computer tower we commonly use. Want to take up too much space at home? If you have got a dedicated mining area or basement, this miner will be fitting perfectly without crowding the space. Check this out, the power socket, the Wi-Fi signal booster, and the Ethernet port are all ready. Convenience make the setup super easy. Before you start, all you need is the network cable to connect the miner to your Wi-Fi setup. According to ASIC miner values on 9 January 2026, with the electricity cost of 0.07 per kilowatt hours, the FLUMINER T3 generates $1.7 per day. I am going to let it run for 24 hours and see if it performs as best. You also can join our Telegram channel for latest pricing update on this miner. Now let's quickly walk through how to connect the miner. First, get your network cable and plug it into both the miner and your Wi-Fi device. Then simply log into the Wi-Fi address. Find the miner's IP address. For now, we can also use advanced IP scanner to locate the miner IP address. Since this is the prototype, the FLUMINER website control software isn't updated yet. I'm sure the official version will be ready before the final product release. Search for IP address in your browser. The username and password are both root. And there you go, we are inside the miner's control panel. Once you are in the control panel, head to pool setting to enter your pool detail. Open F2 pool in your browser, login. Copy to the pool URL and paste it in here. Enter your work name as well. If you have multiple miners, you can set different workers' names to keep track of them. Once done, click Submit and your miner will start running. One tip, double check that the pool URL and worker's name match what you have said earlier. I mentioned this because in the past, some users forgot to check and end up mining for someone else for 2 months. So take extra care with the setting. Next, head to F2 pool to check if the miner is online. If you run into any issue, feel free to ask the comments below and I will be happy to help. Now let's fast forward and take a look at the miner performance after 20 hours. The FLUMINER T3 shows an average hash rate of 111.03 terahash per second. Since this is just a prototype, it may be a big difference from the final product. But looking at the pool steps, the 24-hour average hash rate is 106.23 terahash per second. And we have mined 0.00004967 bitcoins. Based on the Bitcoin price on 9 January 2026, excluding electricity costs, its daily earnings come to $4.52. Just imagine that's the kind of mining profits you could be make right at home. The temperature hits 32.6 degrees Celsius during the test. And now let's talk about the noise. A common concern, right? Based on our test, the prototype miner's noise level is around 63 decibel. Honestly, it's a bit loud, so I recommend placing it in the room that's a bit further from the bathroom. The official specs say 55 decibel, but I'm sure they will make adjustment before the final release. So if you plan to place it in the dedicated mining area or basement, it should be fun and won't disturb your daily life. To wrap up, the FLUMINER T3 is solely choice for the home mining. The official spec lists it as 115 terahash per second, but the prototype performs as 111 terahash per second. I hope that the final product will be maintained the kind of performance. If you are looking for a cost-effective, high-performance home miner, the FLUMINER T3 definitely worth to considering. But keeping in mind this one's still a prototype, so there may be some difference between the final products. Once it is officially released, we will do detailed comparison with the Awan Q. Ready to start your home mining journey? Click the link to get your FLUMINER T3 today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you choose this miner for your setup? See you next time.